Hello guys, today in this afternoon, that is July 8, we are going to review three pizza. We can see right here. Bring it up. Okay. So these are the three pizzas we are going to review. We have planned. I'm going to review just the two pizza. This side and this side. This is Margherita, and this is classic corn pizza, and this is classic onion capsicum. Okay. So I'll be reviewing this Margherita and capsicum one. My friend will be reviewing this corn. Okay. So first I'll be going to this one. This is a classical onion capsicum pizza. They'll be giving some chili flakes and Italian seasoning. I'll be using this for if necessary. Okay, so I'll be taking this and I'll be tearing this down. I think it's okay. I'll be taking this small piece here. Okay, okay. I took the piece. First, I'm going to taste it raw. Okay. I can taste that they have cheese, some masala. We can say peri peri masala, capsicum, onion. The bread is the bread is very soft and very thin. We can say. I can say the taste is a little bit mild only. Okay, so let me keep it here, and I'm going to taste the margherita pizza. But before that, my friend will be reviewing that.
So hi guys, my friend has been reviewed the before pizza classical onion and capsicum. So I'm now going to review the classical corn. Before thing was nice. Right now I'm putting the seasoning like it is saying like Italian seasoning. Okay, so we'll try that. It will make a to give a little bit extra spicy Italian spice. I think so. The seasoning means it's spicy, right? So I'll taste and say you how it's difficult. So here's cheesy corn pizza. Yeah, that's why that it tells the seasoning is very good. I think so. Their flavors are coming. Corns are more. Cheese is very good. Sauce is very amazing. We'll try a margherita cheese pizza. Try by my friend. We'll see that how will be taste good. Okay. And subscribe our channel also.
So far, we have seen two pizzas reviews, and this is the final one. This is a margherita pizza. Okay, and this consists of only masala and mostly cheeses only. So I'll be taking this one. Okay. In the first review, I have not using this chili and Italian seasoning because I already have tried. Uh, the personal thing I like is chili flakes. It is very really there's great taste while using this. I'll be using this two pieces. The first one I'll be just eating it as it is. Okay. Usually I like this peri peri flavor, masala flavor. So I can say it is very tasty, and the cheeses are they have used more. I'll be using this part because this is no masala, right? So I'll be using this part first to both seasoning. The first one, Italian seasoning. It is green in color. You can see. I'll be letting spreading it down, and I'll be tasting it. Already I have tried this. It's good. It's salty, but it is good. In the side part, you can see that is crispy and crusty. And let me try it with chili flakes too. Okay. It's my favorite. Give me a second. Okay, let's try it now. Wow, super. Mm. Yes, it's great. The taste is very good. It's enriching the taste. Mm. Yeah, good. So With this, we are concluding the review. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our Curious
Channel.
Explorers. If you are new watching this video, you are welcome to our channel to subscribe and to watch your videos. And you can comment your
Thoughts.
feedback, whatever you know. If you need any content specifically, just comment. So thank you for watching. Bye guys.
Bye guys, and subscribe our channel. Bye. See you later on next video.